One more picture.
To win the revolution because they believe in the tiny maids and they could attack the army really well. The army, you know, we used to have rich assassins and mercenaries. But this advisor that side of the southern side. And so she expands on that side and stretches over. And between the tall grey building and the tall blue, sort of bluish grey building, we have the Art of
You know what the funniest thing is? I don't